Hey everyone, it's Tim from HelloLux.com, and here we have a quick run through of a scene that I made in Cinema 4D, and this is just to sort of show you how you can use fields and layer them up by combining them in multiple places. And it's a really good workflow because you can create some quite complex effects, and obviously because everything is based on one or two simple fields, it's very easy to manipulate. And as you can see here, we have a scene that is playing through. At the top I've got this group field, and the reason I'm using a group field is because we can easily change the contents of this field, and if we put the group field in any other place it will update. So that's a good start. So if I just switch on this linear field to start with, you can see that we immediately get a result, and that's because this group field is being used in this polygon selection tag here, which is being used to control the materials. You can see down here we've got the group field, and then we've just remapped it, and then there's a random field being overlaid, and if we enable this as well, you can see it's going to just break up that linear field and give us a bit more of a digital effect, which is pretty cool. If we come down, we've got a displacer here, and if I enable this, you're going to see that we get this crazy effect where we've displaced our head. Again, we're using the same group field here, and we're kind of wiping that off. Next, I've got a poly effects, which is going to be scaling these polygons. So if we enable this, and once again we've got the same group field, you can see that now it scales down and our head appears. Okay, let's enable the next poly effects, which again is set to hide. So now we've got them appearing. Adding on a wireframe over the top using a cloner here. This is still using the same set of fields to bring it on. And then another cloner here, spikes on the vertices. You can see now the effect is getting pretty complex. And then finally down here I've also got a matrix object, and this will give us a kind of particle effect. And there we go, and you can see now that it does indeed create a fairly complicated layered effect very quickly and simply, and you could easily just come back here and just change things like the random seed. You could change the noise type, so if we just come forward in time, let's choose maybe mod noise, which is a kind of grid cell noise, and let's scale this up to say 250, and you can see that that's given us a different result. You know, you could come to the linear field if you wanted, and you could even change it to be a different axis, and like everything's still going to update and work even on that new axis. It just really shows you the flexibility of working with fields. So let's rewind this and deselect to hide everything. Let's just come and press play. If you want to download the file, the link is in the description. Just head on over to HelloLux.com. And I hope you enjoyed this little run through, and it shows you some of the flexibility and power of using fields in this way. So thanks for watching.